Hi there, this is Muhammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'll try to teach you spelling and grammar and a new comment. Let's try to type the formula. Is equal to and this time what I have to do is to try to use a spelling and grammar. Let's try to use this before I add there. Spelling and grammar. It says spelling and grammar check complete, you are good to go, which means that there is no any word that is having any sort of spelling mistake. So let's try to edit any of the word deliberately or miss the spelling in that. Let's try to remove one of the letters inside that, and also try to for this one also try to go for this one. I'm editing some of the words, means I'm removing maybe one of the letters inside any of the word in order to make sure that it will be called wrong or it will be called spelling mistake. So let's try to go for spelling and grammar. See, it will be detecting all of the spelling mistakes that I have on my interface. So it says remembers because I have removed one of the letters inside that. So it says that either you want to change your word into remembers or ignore all or change all. So if I want to go for ignore, it will be remaining as same. So if I want to go for change all, it will be changing to remembers. See, and now it is good to go. You can also go and edit some more, like for example I am removing some of the letters from some of the words. You can obviously see or observe that sort of a red line or a sort of red line is coming there. It means that something is wrong inside that. So if I go back for this option, see, it will be detecting each and every of the word. So let's try to edit all of the words that are misspelled. Go for spelling and grammar, change all, change all, change all. And there are some more options, like it is giving the meanings, like it can sound for you. Provides. See, let me also edit this one, change all. Now it is good to go. Let's go for treasures that is present there. Well, if you select any of the word and if you want to change or if you want to observe or if you want to know about the meaning of any of the word, so you have to be selecting any of the word you want to confirm the meaning of that. Go for treasures, and over there you are having also the grammatical position of that and also the meanings of that. So you can also read that and you can also understand that this is something that must be relating to dictionary. And also you can sound that. Provides. And also you can use the sound of that. Provides. See, provides. See, it works. Let me select all of the paragraphs by holding the left click of the mouse and drag it to the top. And if you want to select that by using another method, you have to be holding the control or the command button on your keyboard and press A button. Now it is selected. Let's try to go for count, word count. It is something that you must at least understand that how many of the pages do we have, or words or letters, and how many of the lines do we have, how many of the paragraphs do we have. This is something that can show all of the data or all of the things that are present in the paragraphs. Now let's try to understand the comments group that is present there. So I want to comment the first paragraph and I want to give my comment to this one. Go for this one and select that and try to type something like, what do you want to comment that? Like for example, I'll type first one. I can also select the last one and go for new comment, and that depends upon your choice. What do you want to type? What do you want to comment for? And I'll also select the third one, new comment. You can also say interesting. and I have commented on 3 of the paragraphs. So what I have to do is, in the next option, in the next step, to go for previous and next. If I click on previous, this will be making me to go to the previous comment, and next, it means it will be making me go one step forward. See, previous, next. And if you want to delete any of the comment, you can also go and use delete option. If you want to delete all of the comments that are present, you can also delete that. Let me go 1 or 2 steps back and show comments. See, if you click on that, it will be resulting something like that. And if you want to click on that back, see, it will be resulting something like that. So I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.